Welcome to our tutorial on dynamic style manipulation in Angular using Renderer2. Let's begin by importing Renderer2 from the Angular core module. Renderer2 is a powerful API that allows us to manipulate elements and their properties in a way that is safe for server-side rendering and also provides a layer of abstraction, which is a good practice. Now, we'll inject Renderer2 into our components constructor. This is done by declaring a constructor parameter with the private keyword, which also initializes a class member with the same name. By doing this, we can use the renderer instance throughout our component to set styles dynamically. Within our component, we have a function called setElementStyles that takes an HTML element as an argument. To set a single style, such as the text color to blue, we use the setStyle method on our renderer instance. It takes the element, the style property name, and the desired value as arguments. Additionally, we can set multiple styles by defining an object with style property and value pairs. Here we create an object named styles with font weight set to bold and border to a 1px solid red line. To apply these styles to our element, we iterate over the object using object keys and a for each loop. Inside the loop, we call setStyle for each property in our styles object, applying the respective value to the element. This is a flexible way to dynamically assign multiple styles. Now, let's put this function to use. Assuming we have an element reference named elementRef, which is typically obtained by using Angular's addViewChildDecorator or passed directly from the template, we call the setElementStyles function with the native element of this elementRef. This effectively styles our desired element.